If Google has disappeared from your Chrome search engine list, don't worry, you can add it back in just a few clicks. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add Google as your search engine in Chrome, make it the default, and get your browser back to searching the way you want. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials every week. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three vertical dots to open the main menu. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you into Chrome's Settings page, where you can control everything from privacy options to appearance and search preferences. Once you're in Settings, look at the left-hand menu and click Search Engine. This is the section where Chrome lets you choose and manage the search engines available in your browser. If Google is missing, this is where we'll bring it back. Now click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This opens a more detailed list of search providers and lets you manually add one if needed. Scroll down until you reach the Site Search section. This is where Chrome stores custom search engine entries, and it's the key step for adding Google manually. Next, click the Add button. A small window will appear asking for three details. In the Search Engine field, type Google. In the Shortcut field, you can type google.com, or another easy shortcut you'll remember. Then in the URL with %s in place of query field, enter this exact address, https://www.google.com/search?query equals %s. This part tells Chrome how to send your searches to Google. After entering those details, click Add. Google should now appear in your list of search engines. But we're not done yet. We need to make sure Chrome uses it by default. Find the Google entry you just added, then click the three dots next to it. From the menu, choose Make Default. Once you do that, Chrome will use Google for your searches automatically whenever you type in the address bar. And that's it. You've successfully added Google back as your search engine in Chrome and set it as the default. If this helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more Chrome tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.